Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need 2 quick checks before acting. Confirm whether your Apple ID is marked as a child account and identify the family organizer. Once done, you'll know who controls Ask to Buy. If you can't reach the organizer or they refuse, plan to leave the family group. That's the only direct way to stop Ask to Buy when you're not the organizer. Make sure you have your Apple ID password and any 2-factor codes handy so you can change groups without delays. If the organizer will cooperate, have them open Settings, tap their name, then Family Sharing, select your name and disable Ask to Buy. That immediately removes the approval prompt. If they won't, leave the family. Open Settings, tap your name, Family Sharing, and choose Leave Family, confirming with your Apple ID and 2-factor code. Once you leave, you can create a new family group and become the organizer, then configure purchase controls how you want. Finish by verifying the change. Attempt a small App Store action to confirm Ask to Buy no longer appears. If it still shows, sign out of your Apple ID, restart the device, then sign back in. This forces settings to refresh. Make sure your account isn't still marked as a child. Only organizer changes or leaving the family alter that. If problems persist after these steps, contact Apple support. Provide the organizer's name and recent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.